Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Not quite sure why I bought this, apart from the fact it's a radio controlled aeroplane, because I've already got one. Also bought in a charity shop. I haven't checked, this one says 27MHz channel B. I don't know if the one that I've got's channel B. If it isn't, then potentially I could fly two at once, or at least me and my wife or grandson. It looks absolutely fine. I haven't taken it out of the box yet, so we'll have a look. It's a Silverlit, I think we can work that out. RC Sopwith Camel, easy to control biplane, which is the way out. Okay. Oh dear, needs a bit of repair down there. That's only going to be a bit of glue. Looks okay. I wonder if it's got any power in it. Whoa! On, up, down. No, okay. Let's clear the floor a bit. Whoa, yes. Why didn't it do that the first time when I tried it? Well, apart from needing a tiny little bit of glue on there, that one looks fine. I might have to go up in the loft and dig the other one out just to check whether it's an A or B. Let's turn that off again. It's probably a bit, well, it's dark at the moment, but the weather's not really right for flying one of these unless I could find an indoor site. Well, we've got a spare propeller in there and a spare rudder. Yeah, I'll just go up in the loft and have a look at the old one. Well, that's annoying. The one that I've already got is also channel B. I wonder if this one's still working. Put it out the other way. Well, the quick check. I don't think that one's got any power in it, which isn't surprising. It's been up in the loft for quite a while. No, he's not starting up. Turn it off again. It doesn't say it's charging either. Oh yes, it is now. We'll just give that a couple of minutes charge and then just see if the same transmitter operates it. This one looks in the same condition. So I've got the transmitter, spare rudder and spare propeller. That one appears to be missing the aerial antenna. I've probably nicked it for another system. Right, I haven't fully charged it, I've only charged it for a few minutes. But yeah, we got 2 working Sopwith Camels by accident. Both about the same price. That one that I've just bought was £5, and I was just looking at the box on the old one, and that cost me £4.99. So the new one was a penny more expensive. Anyway, they can go back in the boxes for now. Waiting for some better weather. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.